Hey y'all, this Tuesday, March 20th, I'm going to be participating in the 2018
Makers Rock
album artwork collaboration. Now, this is an annual event where makers and content creators from all over the world who share a passion for music get together and recreate the album artwork from some of their favorite artists. And I'm ready in this video to announce the album that I'm going to be trying to recreate. Though I did leave a little hint in the scrolling disclaimers at the end of the
Makers Rock
promo video I did earlier. And so far only one of you have picked up on it. Now this year's theme is 90s rock, so I've chosen this one. Frank Zappa plays the music of Frank Zappa. Now, this album was released after Frank passed in 1993, and it's got some previously unreleased tracks on it. Now, I've been a fan of Zappa's since the 1970s, and this is a good album that rates right up there with some of his previous works. Not only that, but if there's one thing I know when I see it, that's an epic mustache. And I mean, come on, check that out. That mustache is not only epic, the mustache and the soul patch are absolutely legendary. Now, this album cover, I'm going to be using some different materials, the same as the actual album cover. Now, as I said, I'll be posting this build video on Tuesday, March 20th, along with all of the other makers in the
Makers Rock
family. So keep your eyes peeled for other announcements and promos. There will be more to come. Speaking of all those other makers, I put a list of all the other content creators down in the description of this video. And I'd like for you to go down that list, hit each and every channel, and subscribe to them. Why? Well, number one, they're just good people. They're great makers, and they've got some really cool stuff back there on their channels. The other reason is for your chance to win. That's right. See, what we're all going to do, all 35 of us, we're going to give away the album artwork we're going to be creating during this collaboration. So, on Tuesday, March 20th, when all of these videos go live, you'll be able to sit back, relax with the beverage of your choice, binge watch all 35 videos, and learn how to enter for your chance to win one of these album covers. So, hit all 35 channels, subscribe, hit that notification bell, then sit back and watch videos. What could be easier? So that's Tuesday, March 20th, 2018 for the
Makers Rock.
Will you stop that?
Sorry.
You know how annoying that is?
Why are you yelling at me? This is your voice.
Yeah, I know, but still.
You're the editor.
Okay, come on, let's take this off camera. They're not interested in this, all right? No, I'm getting tired of it. Oh yeah, what was the hint? Well, it's this one right here. See, that's a line and a running gag from Zappa's 1979 album, Joe's Garage, Acts 1, 2, and 3. One guy got it. Good eye, Steve French. See y'all Tuesday. Bye.